what is inside these books? Because all my books, all the prophetic books that I had, everything was taken away from me. And I was weeping. I didn't weep over the clothes, but I wept over the word of God, all those things. And I went to somewhere, a conference one day, and the man of God came with books. And they said specifically, these books, 2 to be given out per person. When it came to my turn, they gave me 2. They were giving me another 3rd one. I said, no, they've already given me 2. The man said, take. Another person said, take. I said, they've given me, I have 3. Take. 4. Take. 5. Take. 6. Oh, let me. I can't. God is mindful of us. Just because I wept that my books, I don't know where they are. They took everything from me. When I go to church, I used to have my box that I will, stroll it whenever I'm going anywhere. Bibles are there. Everything I need are there. Everything was taken away from